Should you discount your products at first or not? I have a lot of different clients and I deal with a lot of different people on a daily basis. Unless you are buying a built website that's already having traffic coming to it, or say buying another business and purchasing it, people are going to know you're a new business and you're going to want to advertise and kind of talk about that as well. So in the beginning, if you're starting a new business and you're getting out there, a discount, a deal, putting that up front is not going to lower your products. It's not going to devalue your products or yourself. It's actually going to help you out and let the marketplace know that, hey, there's a new brand out here. They're doing well and they're ready to work with people and work with their customers. So especially when you're starting a new business, always be open and flexible enough to offer discounts, offer deals, especially to influencers and people that you want to work with long term and people you think you'll do good business with. Now, if you are buying a brand or buying a website, that's already running with traffic to it, then you're going to want to really sit back and reconsider and possibly hit us up on one of our strategy calls to see what that brand is doing at that time, who the niche market is, and then to see if you want to offer discounts. I'm a fan of discounts and deals always. In the marketplace, it works really good. People haven't really studied this too much, but there has been a lot of studies on it, which is the psychology of sales and marketing. It's almost like flat out, hands down, people agree that offering sales and discounts, at least at sometimes on certain products, doesn't devalue a brand. It actually lifts up the consumer's eyes and puts it in front of more people. Now, you do have to be smart about how much you're discounting and how much deals you're offering and how often you're doing it. And that's all something we can dive deeper into, looking at your exact business plan, your exact structure, and what exactly you want to do.